In this video, I want to show you how to change the FPS, or frames per second, in Filmora. It's actually very simple, so just follow along. First, go to the File menu at the top and click on Project Settings. A window will pop up, and here you'll see the frame rate dropdown. From this list, you can select any FPS value you want, 24, 30 or 60. Let's say I want to go with 60 FPS. Just select it and hit OK. Now, your timeline is set to 60 frames per second. But here's something important. Make sure your video clips actually match this frame rate. To check that, find your clip in your File Explorer or Finder, right-click it, and select Properties. You'll see the original frame rate listed there. If your clip is, for example, only 25 FPS, and your project is set to 60, the clip will still only play in 25 FPS, it won't magically become smoother. So it's best to match your timeline FPS with your footage FPS whenever possible, especially if you're not adding high frame rate elements or animations. And that's it. Now you know how to change your frame rate in Filmora. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Filmora tutorials.